sunny days, sweeping the clouds away. La 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 la.
There he is!
There are so many friends to meet.
There sure are, Big Bird. Come on over right to your nice cozy nest.
Oh, neat.
That is pretty neat, Big Bird. Big Bird, look at all the friends that have joined us here today.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sesame Street. I sure am excited for a story.
I'm excited too, Big Bird. Are you all excited for story time? Woo! Story-rific. Well, my name is Jamie, and I'm the storyteller here on Sesame Street. One of my favorite things to do is share stories with my pal Big Bird, and of course, all of you.
What story are we going to hear today?
It's this great book I just borrowed from our friend Bert, called Just One You.
Oh, my granny bird reads me this story all the time.
Perfect, then let's share it with all of our new friends. Just One You. This is a story that's all about you and all the spectacular things that you do. So please come along and we'll show you it's true. There's just one and only wonderful you. Look all around, and here's what you'll find. You are unique. You are one of a kind. The smile on your face is like no smile I've seen. You're one special person, if you know what I mean. Do you think I can see everyone's big smile just like Cookie Monster here?
Oh, that's great.
Hey, Big Bird, do you want to show everyone your big smile? Oh, he's getting ready. Oh, that is beautiful, Big Bird. Perfect. Your mind's full of magic to thrill and delight. Even on dark days, you make the world bright. No job is too big. No task is too small. No matter what comes, you tackle it all. You're strong and you're brave. You're a grand superhero. You give 100%. You never give 0. On the count of 3, do you think I can see everyone's best superhero poses? Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Let me see those poses.
Oh,
Great. Super Grover would be proud. You dance and you dream from dusk until dawn. Don't ever stop trying. We'll cheer you on. Your adventures may take you away from your home, but your best friends will be there wherever you roam. Everyone knows how terrific you are. We've always been sure that you go far. Because even if something doesn't quite go your way, you will turn things around the very next day. Oh, hey, Big Bird, I think we should try something really quick. When I say hip hip, you all say hooray. Ready? Hip hip.
hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Great job, everyone. We are in the home stretch now. You're perfect as you. There's no one who's better. So be true to yourself. And always remember, there is just one you. No other person can do the things that you do. Yes, it is absolutely positively true. There is just one and only wonderful you. Well, that was a great story, and you all were an amazing audience. Give yourselves a big round of applause.
That was so much fun. I love that story.
Perfect. Well, if you'd like to say hi to Big Bird, we're going to line up right over here in the bike lane. My friend will be waiting.
Hi, friend.
There you go.